She walked into court pregnant, smug, and ready to win, but when the judge asked her who the father was, her whole plan collapsed. My ex-wife marched into our final divorce hearing visibly pregnant, acting like she had just pulled the ultimate trump card. She was confident. Too confident. She figured this would corner me, get the judge's sympathy, and destroy any chance I had of walking away clean. She didn't expect the judge to hit her with one single question that would tear her plan apart. You ever witness someone completely ruin themselves in a courtroom moment by moment? That's exactly what I watched Jessica do. Looking back, I should have anticipated something dramatic. The divorce process had been a nightmare from day one. Delay tactics, fake emotions, baseless legal claims. It was like she made it her full-time job to waste my time. If she had put even half that energy into our marriage, maybe we wouldn't have ended up here in the first place. But there she was, walking into court with her baby bump like a soap opera villain, hoping the judge would view her as some poor, abandoned woman carrying a child all alone. She thought she could tug on some heartstrings and override the ironclad prenup we had both signed before the wedding. I didn't laugh, out loud at least, but I could clearly see the script she had written in her mind. She was going to cry, plead, maybe throw in a dramatic speech like, "Your Honor, I'm pregnant and left with nothing. How am I supposed to survive?" She was even ready to sneak glances at me, expecting me to squirm or look guilty. What she didn't know? I already saw this move coming from miles away. See, Jessica assumed I'd panic. Maybe I'd try to settle just to keep things from getting worse. But she underestimated just how prepared I was and how tired I was of her nonsense. I wasn't going to fold. And I had an ace up my sleeve, my lawyer, Ethan. Ethan had that friendly courtroom smile, but the kind of legal mind that could dismantle an opponent piece by piece. I never liked lawyers, but Ethan had won my respect by staying calm and razor-sharp every time Jessica tried to derail this divorce. Jessica, on the other hand, had burned through 3 lawyers already. The guy sitting next to her today looked fresh out of law school. He had that wide-eyed look of someone trying too hard to win their first real case, and I almost felt bad for him. Almost. Jessica's tactics were nothing new. The fake crying, the dramatic sighs, the "I'm just a struggling woman" routine. She had even fooled my mom at one point. A week before the hearing, my mom called me up, tired and concerned. "Can't you just settle?" she asked. "She's pregnant." I clenched my jaw. "Mom, she's not getting a dime. That's why we signed a prenup." "She's about to have a baby," my mom pushed. "You really want that hanging over your head?" I sighed. "It's not mine." There was a long pause. "Are you sure?" I almost laughed. "She cheated on me, repeatedly, and I caught her. Mom, if I thought the baby was mine, she wouldn't need a courtroom stunt. I'd be there."